But look at this little girl, Madison! Back up in my child. The fuck? Fucking ugly ass bitch. Madison, say hey vlog. Welcome back to mommy's vlog. Hey. Yeah. She don't want to talk to you guys. So hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. If this is your first time here, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And it's currently raining outside, and I'm just going to the supermarket because I want to grab some goat meat because I'm just in the mood for some curry goat. Like, I don't know why, I just want curry goat so bad. And I need to go to Target, and I think I just might stop at Marshall's. How did this little girl reach over there? Madison! Jesus Christ, save me. I didn't strap her in yet because we're still in the driveway. But look at this little girl, Madison!
I got it.
Oh!
What the fuck?
Ever since I have Madison, like, I just can't stay at the baby section. No matter how hard I try, like, I have to come here and get something for her. Madison, look. You like it? Yeah? You want it? Yeah, you gonna get it, mama? You said what? I like this and this. You like this one too, Tremaine? You said no? Look at this little girl. Why are you doing that? Y'all remember that movie, Boy in a Bubble? Is that the name of the movie, Tremaine? With the boy in the bubble? Okay, back up in my child. The fuck? Fucking ugly ass bitch. So this is everything that I got from the supermarket. This is the goat meat. This is what I'm about to cook right now. And it's kind of late, so I'm gonna have to pressure it even though I didn't want to. And I also got some oxtail. This is basically for Sunday dinner. Butter beans, coconut, thyme, seasoning, veg. Oh, and I also got fish for Madison. Yeah, I got some Jamaican yellowtail snapper. So I'm gonna cook that right now for her. And they scale it off and clean it up for me. I don't know what kind of vegetables I'm gonna give her. Maybe mixed vegetables. I also have broccoli and beans in the fridge, and I'm gonna do it with some potatoes. So Madison is eating good over here. Oh, and I also got my plantains. Yes, so I can have my plantains with them bomb bacon, some eggs, and whatever else I'm gonna eat with it. So yeah, this is everything. Like I said, I'm gonna pack these away, and it's time for Shakera to get in chef mode. So I'm gonna put a little all-purpose on it, and I'm not really gonna add salt to Madison's fish because the seasoning already have salt. And I'm adding a little fish seasoning. I cut up some carrots, okra, and pumpkin, and that's basically gonna be her vegetables. This is the curry goat. I put it for pressure for 20 minutes. Right now it just a cool down. And then on the stove, I have some vegetable with potato. Listen, I gotta do the getaway because I ain't doing no separate pots. Then I set out my rice. And Madison fish is still steaming. What I forgot to get, a fish noodle. My curry goat is done pressuring, and I didn't pressure it out too much because I don't want it too soft, because now I'm about to transfer it into a different pot and cook it down. I'm gonna add more season to it and let it simmer, and I'll return when the meal is done, nice and plated. Do you see all this oil? And I didn't even add any oil, like it's the fat, like the fat that I couldn't get. So I'm just gonna add the skillet and thyme. What I like to do with the pepper is pierce a couple holes in it. So I'll probably put 2 or 3 holes in it because I like my food spicy. So I forgot to vlog me deboning Madison's fish, but I pureed potatoes. I add the okra, the pumpkin, the carrots, and some of the mixed vegetables that I did. Mmm. This little girl is such a character. It's not even funny. Mmm. Come, baby. All right, baby. One thing about Madison, she loves her water, and she loves ice water. She don't like room temperature water. Mmm. Come. Mmm. So proud of her, because there's days where she'll take 5 bites, that's it. But today she really showed out. One last bite, baby. Madison, one last bite, mama. Madison, you're finished. Yay! So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna puree the rest of her food and pack it up in the fridge. So this is the rest of it. She still have some more. It don't really look pleasant right now. She's gonna have this for like 2 more days, because I don't want to puree food for a week. Like after 2 days I'm not eating no leftovers. So that's basically the same mentality that I have for my baby. It seems like a lot. I just might make it stretch to 3 days. Bon appetit. I'm currently editing a vlog. Like I finished editing the vlog, and I uploaded it on YouTube, but it's not public as yet. I put it to schedule. So I'm just here working on the thumbnail. I don't know if I should take out this picture. Let me turn it so you can see. I don't know if I should take out this picture or this one, because in the title it says luxury shopping, so I think I should show more of what I actually got. Let me see. I'm gonna put it right here. I might change this photo. Yeah, I might change this photo. I'm pissed off right now because I can't even edit my vlog. Like, I don't know what Madison did to my hard drive, but it stopped working. And now I have to go purchase a new hard drive, which I'm not mad about, because eventually I was going to get a new hard drive, but I just didn't want to get it so soon. And like, she plays with my hard drive all the time and nothing happens to it, and I don't know why Satan decides, say, today, right now, it needs to stop work. But the good thing is, my intro and my outro, I saved it on my computer. But like, I have so much space left on this, and there's just footage that I don't want to lose. So I'm gonna try to bring it to one of them shops that, you know, fix phones and computer, and see if they could do anything about it. If not, I just gotta take a L. What the pillow do to you, mama? And I even was supposed to film Madison's morning routine, but that hard drive situation just broke my vibes, bro. Trumia, seriously? All them two do is make noise. They don't respect the fact that I'm vlogging. Not even Madison, her father. He doesn't respect that I'm vlogging, and he needs to shh. But yeah, guys. And I shouldn't even be mad, because one of my vlog I finished edited and it's already on YouTube. Thank God, because I would have probably be crying legit eye water. But yeah, I finished editing it. I did a thumbnail, everything. So if you haven't seen that video, definitely go check it out. So yeah, I shouldn't be mad. And I also bought ND filters for my camera, and I'm super excited. I can't wait till they come here. Like, I bought these. I don't know if you guys noticed, but like, if I vlog outside in the sun, I look washed out, and like in certain lighting. So basically what the ND filter does, it's basically like shades, like sunglasses. It block out sunlight. So yeah, I got those. Hopefully I remember to put them on, because being a mom, I have so much shit to do.